What's the meaning of Boer? Boer. Boer.
Boer. Boer. The term Boer refers to a member of the Dutch and Huguenot population that settled in southern Africa in the 17th and 18th centuries. This group of people became known as Boers, which is derived from the Dutch word for farmer. The Boers established several independent states in southern Africa, most notably the Orange Free State and Transvaal, which eventually led to conflicts with the British during the colonial period. Today, the term Boer is often used to refer specifically to white Afrikaans-speaking South Africans who are descendants of the original Boer settlers.